Hi, I'm Kevin Guyan and I'm a Chancellor's Fellow at the University of Edinburgh Business School. So my work looks very broadly at the topic of queer data, particularly how some data collection practices causes different harms for marginalised and minoritised communities. So it's been really exciting for me to work on the topic of queer data and conduct research in this field because it happened at a moment where a lot of people are speaking about how we collect, analyse and use data on gender, sex and sexuality. So my work's been able to inform discussions and debates around different data collection exercises in Scotland, the UK and around the world, including the national census, which for the first time asked new questions on sexual orientation and trans status. So it was really exciting for me to be able to use my research and my work to shape how people think about data, imagining data as something political, as something that's maybe not as objective as we've been told, that actually there's a lot of different questions of power involved in how we collect and gather information about different communities. In 2022, I published my first book called Queer Data: Using Gender, Sex and Sexuality Data for Action. This book provided a platform for other knowledge exchange events, including an LGBTQ data summit that took place in 2022. This was a really exciting gathering of practitioners, policymakers, activists and academics to explore how they use and analyse LGBTQ data across public, private and voluntary sectors. This was an exciting opportunity to bring together people who don't normally spend time in the same room to explore common challenges around using LGBTQ data. I was also invited to provide evidence at the Scottish Parliament in June 2022 on any data implications from their Gender Recognition Reform Bill. It was a really exciting moment for me to be able to bring my research into Holyrood and to think how my work can be informing discussions among policymakers and politicians. For me, there's really no point in doing research if it doesn't go beyond the university. So throughout the work that I've done, I've always been thinking about what's this broader impact and broader reach. We're living through a really challenging moment around LGBTQ communities, both in the UK and around the world. And I hope that my research can help inform and change some of the discussions happening around how minoritised and marginalised communities engage with different data practices. So for me, it's been central to all the work that I do, all the research that I conduct, that actually it has helped change the world in small or big ways.